How to remove account from YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your account from YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there's two types of scenarios if you're an Android user or an iOS user. So if you are an iPhone user, when you come to the profile tab from the bottom right, then you tap the switch account button. You will basically find the option to use YouTube signed out. So on iOS, because the iOS runs because of Apple ID, you don't necessarily need Google account to run Google Apps. You can use YouTube signed out, right? But if you're using an Android phone, to remove account from YouTube, you have to remove that Gmail or Google account from your device itself. So on your Android phone, just go ahead and then look for the option called accounts and backup, or manage accounts, or password and accounts, something like that, and then just tap on it. Then from there, just make sure to go to the option called manage accounts. Select the account that you would like to remove from YouTube, tap on remove account, and this will completely remove the Google account from your device as well as also from YouTube. So this way you can remove account from YouTube. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.